Okay. Okay, I think I'm back. Okay, so apparently I got blocked by TikTok. Who knows why? Maybe I violated something, yeah, but I'm back now. I'm back now. Okay. Anyways, hopefully everybody comes back. Being blocked and not recommended by TikTok is so painful. Ah, so depressing. Okay, wait a minute. Wow, I actually got blocked. Mengsedih. Okay, anyways. So, right. The book that we're translating today, yes, the book that we're translating today is Negotiation 101 by Peter Sander. Because I feel like kalau kita mau belajar negosiasi, right? Kalau kita mau belajar negosiasi, I think we should be able to do it in English ya. Ini skill-skill untuk orang yang dewasa, adults that are working. Yeah, this is probably a skill for you. Okay, so wait a minute. The level of the book, right? The level of the English in this book is intermediate. Yeah, in my opinion. So the language is very easy for you to understand. So I recommend this book. You can buy it in Gramedia. Anyways, so let's start translating ya. Mulai translating, okay? So chapter 1, bab 1. So you think you don't ever have to negotiate gitu ya. So you think you don't ever have to negotiate, itu artinya kamu pikir. Gitu, that's what it means ya. Strukturnya kayak gitu. So if you want to make, kok live-nya nggak ada notif padahal settingannya udah bener, ya nggak tahu. Karena aku di blok sama TikTok tadi ya. Okay, anyways. Nah, ulang lagi ya tadi ya. So you think itu struktur kali pertanyaan kayak kamu pikir kamu nggak perlu kayak gitu. Jadi kamu pikir kamu nggak perlu. That's what it means ya. Jadi koma kamu pikir kamu apa? Sisanya lanjutin. Okay, so that's basically how you make that structure ya. Like this. So you think you don't need to learn. Jadi keselak aku. Shock tadi di blog TikTok. Okay. So you think you don't need to learn English? Gitu ya. Jadi kamu pikir kamu nggak perlu belajar bahasa Inggris gitu. So this is the same structure. Strukturnya sama ya. For this. Aku saking shocknya jadi batuk tuh gak? Okay, anyways. Lanjut. Life just moves forward. Life just moves forward. Itu berarti hidup terus berjalan maju. Kayak hidup maju terus, jalan terus gitu ya. Moves forward. In business, dalam bisnis, negotiating is someone else's job, right? Gitu. Dalam bisnis, bernegosiasi, negotiating is someone else's job, right? Itu tugas orang lain, kan? Gitu ya. So, that's the structure. Ini namanya kayak question tag, cuman dia yang agak casualnya. Dia pakai right gitu ya. Kalau misalnya mau pakai question tag yang lebih formal gitu ya. Question tag itu informal. Ya, nih, wait, let me write it down. Jadi question tag itu sebenarnya informal sifatnya. Right itu yang paling informal, artinya kan gitu kan. Kamu suka ini kan, kamu suka itu kan gitu. Itu pakai right gitu belakangnya ya. Tapi in English kita juga bisa right itu paling informalnya. Nah, negotiating bernegosiasi is someone else's job, yang lebih formalnya question tag benernya isn't it. Ya, jadi kamu boleh pakai right, boleh juga pakai isn't it. Yang lebih bagus grammarnya itu pakai isn't it, tapi right juga itu nggak salah ya. Especially kalau speaking casually gitu. Aduh, kenapa aku batuk? Aku perlu minum dulu, taruh. I need water. Okay. Anyways, mari kita lanjut. Okay. Nih, let's continue. For you, it's just a discussion. And when you get home from work and have issues to settle with your family, that's just a discussion too. Right? Kayak gitu. Bahasanya sangat casual walaupun bukunya has a lot of, what is it called? There's a lot of things that you can learn from the book ya. Okay, so for you, bagi kamu, bagi Anda gitu, for you, it's just a discussion. Itu hanya diskusi gitu kan. Mungkin negotiation and discussion is very different, right? Ya. Discussion tuh diskusi. By the way, ini level streamnya intermediate. Discussion, diskusi. Okay. And when you get home from work, ketika kamu pulang atau saat kamu pulang dari kantor, and you have issues to settle with your family, apa tuh? Issues. What is issues in English? Masalah atau permasalahan. Alright? To settle. Nah, this is a good combination ya. Issues to settle. Kalau belajar kosakata, belajar juga kombinasinya apa, pasangannya apa. So if you have an issue, you can settle the issue ya. Berarti settle itu artinya yang harus diselesaikan, masalah yang harus diselesaikan gitu ya. Yang harus diselesaikan. Okay, so if you have issues to settle with your family, dengan keluarga, that's just a discussion too, right? Itu hanya diskusi kan, itu hanya berdiskusi kan, kayak gitu. That's what it means. Let's continue reading. Settle down artinya apa? Settle down tuh artinya calm down, mirip kayak gitu ya. Kalau calm itu lebih ke perasaan. Oke, ada yang nanya nih. Bedanya settle, what is settle down? Gitu ya. Dan ada juga misalnya calm down. Kalau calm down itu dia ngomongin feeling. Misalnya feeling, hanya perasaan gitu. Kamu lagi marah disuruh calm down, berarti tenang. Gitu ya. Kalau settle down itu bisa dua-duanya, jadi percampuran antara feeling dan kamu tuh lagi banyak gerak, risih, ribut gitu kan. You're panicking, you're moving everywhere and someone's like settle down, tenang. It means almost the same thing ya. Beda konteksnya. Settle down itu mungkin kamu ada unsur bergerak atau ributnya gitu ya. Kalau calm down itu bisa orangnya diem tapi kelihatan marah, you can say calm down gitu. Ya, jadi settle down sama calm down bedanya itu adriuhnya. Adriuh apaan tuh adriuh? Adriuhnya? Okay, I don't know what that is, what you're saying. Okay, anyway, chill out. Okay, so settle down itu ada unsur bergerak ya kalau menurut aku. Kalau calm down itu cuman feeling aja gitu. Ada kak? Chill up. Okay, I don't know what you're talking about. Aku nggak pernah nonton live, jadi aku nggak tahu maksudnya apa gitu. Okay, anyways. So, lanjut. Hardly. No matter what you do in today's fast-paced business and personal world, every day you'll encounter things that you need or want. Okay, hardly. Hardly itu kayak nggak gitu kan, atau hampir nggak, atau kayak no way gitu, very similar, right? So, no matter what you do, ya, no matter what you do itu apapun yang kamu lakukan, mau gimana pun gitu ya, that's a translation for that. No matter what you do, itu apapun yang kamu lakukan, in today's fast-paced business, ya, di dunia bisnis yang serba cepat, yes, fast paced ya, serba cepat, yes, ada worldnya ya, fast paced business world. Berarti dunia bisnis yang serba cepat gitu, satset bisnis tuh cepat. Aduh, I'm dying. Okay, right. Ini business and personal ya, juga untuk dalam kehidupan pribadi ya. Semuanya tuh serba cepat. Every day you'll encounter, setiap hari kamu akan encounter. What is encounter? Menjumpai. Menjumpai. Jadi every day, setiap hari kamu akan menjumpai atau ketemu, gitu juga bisa ya, another word. Ketemu. Things you need or want. Sumpah. I don't know what's wrong with me. Taruh. Oh, okay. I'm okay. Things you need or want. Hal yang kamu inginkan atau butuhkan. I can't even speak. Give me like 10 seconds. 10 seconds, I promise. Okay. Right. Minum, Bu. I don't think it's minum. Paru-paru aku nggak enak. Okay. Anyways, lanjut. Ya, you'll encounter things. Kamu akan menemukan atau menjumpai atau ya hal-hal yang kamu need or want. Need itu membutuhkan, want itu kamu inginkan, gitu ya. Now, let's continue. Not just things, bukan hanya hal-hal atau barang, ya, not just things, but also behaviors and actions. Juga behaviors. What is behaviors? What is behaviors? Perilaku. Ada yang bilang kebiasaan. Okay. Behaviors itu perilaku ya. Bener tuh yang ngechat itu. Okay. Behaviors and actions. Actions is everybody knows what action is ya. Tindakan gitu kan. Okay. Right. Ya, sikap atau perilaku juga bisa, yes. This is correct. Perilaku itu action. Enggak. I mean, action is like you take a tindakan, right? Something like that. Okay. Let's continue. Discuss them. Kenapa aku nadanya salah? Discuss them, gitu ya. Discuss them itu artinya membahasnya. Yes. It starts with that. Mulai dengan itu, ya. Mulai dengan itu. But you're not just discussing, you're working out a deal, gitu ya. Dalam bernegosiasi, when you're negotiating, right? You're not just discussing. Kamu bukan hanya berdiskusi, right? You're working out a deal. What is working out? What is working out? What is working out? Ini kalimatnya working out a deal ya. Melakukan working out itu apa namanya? Sedang membuat itu ya, kesepakatan gitu. Yes. So basically, when you're working out a deal, it means kamu tuh sedang membuat kesepakatan, lagi dirancang gitu ya, lagi OTW, masih proses ya. That's basically. Yeah, I don't know if it's an idiom, but I think it can be classified as one, yeah, in my opinion. Because the translation is not not 100% accurate, you know. Workout kan ada banyak ya translationnya, ada juga yang kayak olahraga. Something like that, right? You're working out an agreement, ya. Working out an agreement tuh kesepakatan gitu, lagi membuat kesepakatan. Same thing as this one, ya. Right. Let's continue. Sedang membuat kesepakatan. Let's continue. That agreement, kesepakatan itu, can be the interest of your own individual achievement. Jadi, that agreement can be the interest of, ya. In the interest of, itu berarti kesepakatan itu dapat demi Nah, apa nih? Demi apa nih? Right? Demi kepentingan, misalnya, your own individual achievement. What is that? Pencapaian individu sendiri gitu ya. So, what you want to reach gitu ya. Like that. Achievement itu artinya pencapaian. Right? So, yeah, your own achievement, your group's work achievement, yeah. Your group's work. What is work groups? Kenapa aku halu bacanya sumpah. Okay. Your work group's achievement, pencapaian kelompok kerja Anda, right? Apaan tuh, ada yang nanya? Interest apa? Interest itu basically if you're interested in something. Okay, interest it means ketertarikan gitu kan? Atau kayak tujuan kamu, your goal, ya. Yeah, exactly. Kepentingan is good. So basically, what is your interest? Itu kayak kamu tertariknya sama apa? Kamu mencari apa gitu. That's an interest, right? Yes. So, like that. That's what it means. I don't know how to translate it to bahasa, but that's what interest means, yeah? Okay. Let's continue. Or your own organization's achievement. Kalau kamu kan jadi interest yang dalam negotiation itu, it could be your individual achievement, ya, work group achievement, or your organization achievement as a whole, right? Organization achievement berarti pencapaian organisasi kamu, gitu ya. As a whole, what is as a whole? As a whole itu artinya, anyone? Keseluruhan. Yes, exactly. Okay. Secara keseluruhan, ya. As a whole, secara keseluruhan. Okay. So, you want to go get it. Gitu ya. You want to go get it. Kamu ingin mendapatkannya. Basically, apa yang didapatkan? Your interest or something ya. When you're negotiating, ketika kita lagi bernegosiasi, when you're negotiating, you want to get your interest. You want to achieve something that aligns with your interest, right? Exactly. Okay. Wah, I love this. We're learning something. Ini masih definisi negotiation ya. Belum masuk ke dalam teori-teori negotiation yang seru tuh bacanya tuh. Okay. That requires negotiation. So if you want to achieve your interest, gitu kan? If you want to achieve, did I spell that right? I-E-V-E. Okay. If you want to achieve your interest, yes, you should learn how to negotiate. Okay, so if you want to achieve your interest, you should learn how to negotiate, right? Setuju? Okay, is anyone here good at good at negotiating? Nah, I want to know. Is anyone here good at negotiating? Ada yang pinter nggak? What do you do for work? Yeah. What do you do for work? Does your job require negotiating? Coba. Does your job require negotiating? I'm interested. Okay. Apakah orang bagus dalam bernegosiasi? Ya, apakah ada yang di sini, yang di chat ini ya? Apakah ada orang di chat ini yang bagus bernegosiasi atau bernegosiasi bagus? Yes, that's my mom. What do you mean? Yes, that's my mom. Yes, I do. Hah? Tar dulu, itu jawabannya. Okay, wait a minute. Nah, tar dulu. aku mau benerin bahasa Inggrisnya ya. Is anyone here good at negotiating? Jawabannya itu yes, I am, gitu ya. Atau no, I'm not. Kalau ngomongin itu ya, if I'm asking you, right? Nah, kalau ini, does your job require negotiating? Yes, it does. Atau no, it doesn't. Kalau selain ini aneh struktur grammarnya, oke? Right. I'm in procurement, so my job needs negotiating. Ini ada yang komen. My job needs negotiation. Nih, yang benar ya. I'm in procurement, so my job needs negotiation. Okay? Okay. No, it doesn't. No, I'm not good. You're not good at negotiating. Okay. Apa nih? The UNDP namanya bagus banget. But before you do the negotiate, basically you have to have something that can be able to pull others. Yes, exactly. Okay, wait a minute. Before negotiating, gitu ya, aku benerin dikit ya grammarnya ya. Before negotiating, you should have something that interests the other party. Ya nggak sih? But before negotiating, sebelum bernegosiasi, you should have something that interests the other party. Ya kan? Ya kan? Yang menarik untuk pihak yang pihak yang kamu negosiasi sama siapa gitu, right? Okay, yes, benar tuh. Grammarnya aku benerin dikit ya kalimatnya ya. Okay. Right. Yeah. So this is important in negotiating ya. Okay, guys. Lanjut. Especially if you have to give up something and the other party has to give up something to reach an agreement. Nah, ini nih. What is this? Especially. Okay, what is especially in English? Let's translate that. Especially terutama gitu ya. Aduh. Especially itu terutama, right? Especially if you have to give up something. Kalau kamu harus menyerahkan sesuatu atau give up something itu kayak kamu harus mengalah gitu kan. Jadi you don't want something, menyerahkan sesuatu, yes, exactly. Jadi kamu harus ngalah, kamu nggak menang gitu ya. Give up something. Apa namanya? Menyerahkan sesuatu atau give up. Yeah, basically, right? Ada juga give in, right? Give in di situ kan artinya mengalah. Gitu ya. Like that. And the other party itu pihak yang satu lagi ya. Pihak satu lagi has to give up something, juga harus menyerahkan sesuatu. Jadi kalian tuh sama-sama rugi gitu. Bisa aja in a negotiation, right? So to reach an agreement ya. To reach an agreement itu artinya apa? Untuk mencapai kesepakatan. Exactly. Very good. Okay. Right. At its roots, negotiation is the art and science, the process of getting what you want. I love this. At its root, what is at its root? At its root, nggak pakai itu kutip. At its root, pada dasarnya, yes. At its root, pada dasarnya, exactly, very good. Negosiasi is the art and science, adalah seni dan ilmu, right? It is seni dan ilmu, right? Art and science. Karena bukan cuman ilmu pengetahuan doang, it's not just science, ya. Tapi it's also an art. Harus pakai your feeling maybe, ya. Exactly. Art and science, the process of getting what you want, yeah? Of getting what you want. Getting what you want. What does that mean? apa yang seni dan ilmu proses untuk mendapatkan apa yang kamu mau. Yes, I love that translation ya. Oke, untuk mendapat gitu kan apa yang kamu inginkan atau Anda inginkan. Kamu terserah, aku pakainya kamu. Okay, alright. So go get what you want. What is this? Go get what you want. This is what I love. Yes. Go get what you want. Oke. Kakak lesnya speaking. Oh, kalau ini kita lagi kosakata ya. Kita mengumpulkan banyak kosakata. Semakin banyak kosakata yang kamu tahu, semakin bagus nanti speakingnya dan writingnya ya. Ini levelnya hari ini di intermediate, oke? Oke. Pergi dan dapatkan apa yang kamu mau. Ambil apa yang kamu inginkan. Oke, go get what you want itu yang paling akurat tadi ya. Ambil apa yang kamu pengen inginkan. Kamu ambil jemput gitu ya, something like that. Kejar apa yang kamu mau. No, itu beda. Chase what you want. Itu chase itu kejar, okay? Alright. This chapter describes further what negotiation is and isn't, how it fits into today's business and organizational context, and what is and isn't new about negotiation today. Okay? Right? Jadi, this chapter, bab ini, describes further. Describes further. What is that? Menjelaskan lebih lanjut, yes? Oke, menjelaskan lebih lanjut ya. Describes further what negotiation is. Apa itu negosiasi ya? And isn't, dan apa yang bukan ya, negosiasi itu bukan apa gitu ya. How it fits into today's business ya. Bagaimana dia fits into. What is fits into? How it fits into. Okay. Cocok, yes, cocok. Very good, very good. Yes. Yes. Cocok dengan misalnya ya, today's business and organizational context ya. Konteks bisnis dan organisasi saat ini. Okay. And what is and isn't, dan apa yang dan yang tidak gitu ya. New about negotiation today ya. Apa yang baru ya, dan yang tidak baru tentang bernegosiasi hari ini. Apa maksudnya bukan hari ini ya, saat ini gitu, right? Negotiating in the past and negotiating in the present, is it different? Okay, this is my question. Is capital I, Miss Wina, is negotiating, T-I-N-G, is negotiating in the past different to that in the present? Gimana coba? What do you think? What do you guys think? Is negotiating in the past different to that in the present? Beda nggak? Oh yes, it is. Why? Kenapa beda? Ada yang jawab beda. Type your argument ya. Ketik argumennya. Is negotiating in the past different to that in the present yang sekarang? Based on text, yes, it's different. Big no. Okay, tell me why. Tell me why, yeah? Tell me why. Don't just say yes, no, yes, no. Tell me why. Yes, it's different. Indeed, it's different. Negosiasi dulu beda dari nego yang sekarang. Ya, coba jawab pertanyaannya. Ada yang punya alasan? Because needs change all the time. Membutuhkan. What do you mean? Oh, needs change. But the art of negotiating has not changed, right? That's the question. Because the era is different. Because the era is different. More clarity, kurang dalam penjelasannya. Karena sudah berubah dan melupakan aku. Okay, very good. Perbedaan waktu, different way, different technology. Okay. So, in your opinion, it's different, right? negotiating now is different to negotiating back then, right? That's what you said, okay? But I'm asking how? How? How is it different? Because right now, we have many things to offer, okay? There, in the present, there are many things to offer. Yes? Right. What's happening? Because the dollar is rising. I agree about that because in the past it's easy to find a partner in negotiating, but in the present it's so difficult. Okay. Because in this era we need to entertain for negotiation. What do you mean we need to entertain? Because mindset of this era is different. People are more critical about the things that we want. Oh, so all the things, so we must. Because of technology. Someone said technology. Okay. People have become more critical. Okay. Critical of what? Gitu ya. Okay. Technology has caused a shift in negotiation. Gitu kah? People have become more critical of many things, right? Technology has caused the shift in negotiation, all right? Because of the character of the person that we're negotiating has always changed. Ya zaman dulu kayak gitu, zaman sekarang juga gitu gak sih? Because the future trend in business will be shifting. That one is good. In the future, businesses will be shifting, okay? All right. Oh, I love this because nowadays negotiation relies more on taking the most advantage while holding others' weaknesses. Oh my gosh, that is interesting. Bisa dikopas gak sih? I want to copy the comment. Nggak bisa, aku nggak bisa copy paste comment. Oh no! Ada yang bagus komennya, it's interesting. Sumpah, nggak bisa di copy paste komennya. Okay. Negotiation now relies on... Aduh, baru aku lihat tiba-tiba hilang komennya. Okay, relies on taking the most advantage, ya. Okay, wait. While holding on to another's weaknesses. Gitu ya. Tapi dari dulu bukannya kayak gitu ya, negosiasi gitu. Emang selalu kayak gitu gak sih? I don't know how to pin. Aku nggak tahu cara pin gimana. Kalau aku klik kiri dia cuman see translation gitu. Okay, right. Kak, ini les kursus latihan baca, Kak. Ini latihan vocabulary. Ya, latihan vocabulary sebenarnya. Tadi kita udah translate yang atas ini ya, basically. So, I'm just talking now. Aku cuman pengen tahu jawaban kalian gitu ya. Kepo aku. Gitu. So, yes. The question was, pertanyaannya itu, is negotiating in the past different to that in the present? It's different maybe because of how people perceive things, right? But I don't know, I can't really think of how it's that different today. But I guess dari buku ini kita bakal baca. So from this book, we will learn bedanya itu di mana gitu ya. The basics of negotiation is finding common ground. Yeah, exactly. So the basics is probably still the same, yeah, but what people are interested in, yes, what people are interested in is probably different gitu ya. Is probably different. Right? So this is due to a lot of things, yeah, due to technology, due to the business climate, and business now is a lot faster paced, right? We talked about fast paced, yeah? Kayak gitu. So, begitu. Okay. Nanti malam aku balik lagi bakal membahas ini, negotiation and fast track in business, speed now more than ever. Nah, kita bahas ini ya nanti ya. Gitu ya. Okay, we're gonna talk about this later. Aku break dulu 1 jam. And then I will come back. Aku balik lagi nanti ya. Jam berapa ini? Sekarang jam 7:30 WIB, I'll be back, yes. Okay. 7:30 WIB, I'll be back. For now, this is where we're gonna stop ya. It's very short gitu. Maaf ya, cuma setengah jam. Nanti aku sholat dulu guys, and then let's continue later, okay? Peace!